Okay, so I'm trying to upload the room configuration for Summit 2019. And so I did go through and I downloaded the template. And I made sure that I did not change any of the headers. I did not change column widths or anything. So this is the list that I need to upload. All right, so you'll see they're all in here. So this is the most current supplier list with their ID, start date, end date, the meeting times, the different time slots. So we have 452 or so meeting times, meeting rooms. Okay, so I have that. I also made sure that it is in the Excel 97-2003 format. So it should be good to go. However, when I go in and I browse, and I come into upload, I get this error message. The file was not properly uploaded. I also tried in beta just to see if it worked there, and I got the same error. I then tried just to upload one meeting room to see if that would work. So I tried this one as well. And when I go in, to do a test there, okay, so it shows it's here. Again, when I go to upload, file was not properly uploaded. So then I tried to just do it manually. So if I were to look at one of these, 3M commercial 3115. Okay, exhibitor number, the start date, 6/24/19. Start time is 1:00 p.m. End time is 5:00 p.m. And this is for 3M. Is it a 30-minute meeting? Yes, because they all are. Even when I try to do it manually, nothing shows up down here. So I'm not sure what's going on. I also had Lisa take a look at it, and she didn't have any success adding a meeting room. So if you could take a look at that, I'll attach the files and send over the links to you. All right, thanks.